In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can work on a Microsoft Office 365 document that has been shared with you. One of the ways you will be notified when somebody has shared a document with you is you will get an email notification like you're seeing here. So one of the quickest ways to access that document is from your email just by clicking on the name of the document. Another way to access this document is to log in to your Office 365 account and access the document from your OneDrive, which I'll show you in a few minutes. In order to start working on this document, we're going to click on the name of it, and that's going to open up this document in the web browser. So you can see here by clicking on the title of the document in my email, it opened up the document, and it opened it up in the Word Online version, the browser version. We know we're in the browser because you can see here there is an address bar in the web browser, and this document has its own unique website address or URL. You can add content directly in the online version, and you don't have to worry about hitting save or saving it separately because all of your changes are going to be saved automatically. As those changes are saved, the other person who shared this document with you will be able to view those changes immediately the next time that they access the document. So for instance, if I add my own content, you will notice at the top in the toolbar that this changes from saved to saving. As you add content to your document, all changes are saved automatically. So I could close this window and this entire website browser, and I would be able to access this document again, and all my changes would be here. No need to hit save. Another way that you can access this document is also by going into your Office 365 account. While you can hold on to the email to continue accessing the document, sometimes that can get a little tedious if you get a lot of emails. So just to show you how to access this document by accessing it through Office 365, what you will do is open up a web browser and go to login.microsoftonline.com, and you will put in your email address and password. Once you've logged into your Office 365 account, you can go to your OneDrive, which is represented by this cloud icon, and this will bring you to your personal OneDrive files. But in addition to your personal OneDrive files, you will see an area on the left that says Shared. Any document that has been shared with you by another user will be housed in this shared area. So if at some point you need to go back to a document that was shared with you and you do not have the email anymore or you deleted it, those documents will live here. And very often they are put in order based on when they were received. So you can see here is that practice document that I was working on before. So again, all I need to do is click on it just like I did previously in the email, and I will be able to access it, and you will also notice that all of my changes have been saved here. Now again, anytime we are accessing a document from shared, or we're accessing that shared document from our email, it will always open in the online version or the browser version. If you are not used to working in the online version, or there are some tools that are not available in the online version, and you would like to expand this and open this up into the full Word version, the desktop version that you might be used to using, you can do so by clicking on this editing button and clicking in Open in Desktop App. And this is going to launch the full desktop application of Microsoft Word. So you can see here it's launching the entire program. To do this, you must have Microsoft Word installed on your computer in order to actually use this functionality. And again, once this opens and we start adding content to it, we do not need to hit save. You will notice in this desktop version, and you can see we do not have the address bar anymore, so we are not working in the online version anymore. But if you look at the upper left-hand side, you will see that autosave is automatically on. Autosave means these changes are going to be automatically saved back up to the cloud. So again, no need to save once we have added content to it. So I can additionally add more content, even though I'm not working in the web browser version, everything is saved automatically. And if we can even be rest assured that is the case, because I'm just going to X out of this document, and it says I can refresh this over here and see the changes that I made by clicking continue here, and you can see the content has been saved. I'm going to hop on over to the person who shared this document with me so that you can see all of these changes that I have made on my end are also now available on their end. So right over here, I am now in the account of the person who originally shared this with me. I'm just going to refresh my screen so all of those changes will be available once I open the document. And once it loads, I'm going to again click on this. Because this person created the document, this is stored in their personal OneDrive. And you can see here the person has access to all the changes that I just added, and neither of us had to do any saving of any nature whatsoever because this document is living in the cloud and everything is being saved automatically. So I hope this video helps in terms of how you would work on a document that is being shared between one or more people and how easy it is to collaborate on a document without needing to save any changes.